Hello everyone and welcome to the part 2 for the HTML assignment. In this part 2 I'm going to go over linking images and your listing. So to go ahead and link your web pages together or provide an alternative link, go ahead and head over to that HTML tutorial and you're going to go over to linking. And here you're just going to take this coding. Just going to copy that and paste it straight in your notepad. Put it anywhere in the body text. I'm just going to put it right below the body, the entry tag. Go ahead and save that. And here are the words that the user click on. This is the blue text. When I'm sure you guys are familiar with hyperlinks, the blue links that you click on them and they take you to another website. So we're just going to put some words for the user of the website to click on. I'm just going to put link to dictionary. Okay, and in the file name.html in the quotations, you're going to put the name of the website that you want your users to be linked to. I want them to be linked here, so we're just going to copy that and paste that into here. And you're going to go ahead and save that. And let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like on our website. So link to dictionary, and it's going to link you straight over to the dictionary. That is the linking part. And like I said, you just go ahead and paste that wherever you want it. Let's say you wanted it under your H1 tag, you are amazing. You would put it just right here, and you would click on that, and it would link you over to whatever you want it to link to. So that is it for the linking. Next, we're going to go over images. Okay, so with the images for this assignment, I would recommend using a place where you know that your images aren't copyrighted. That way you don't run into copyright infringements or any problems. The number one place I'd recommend is unsplash.com. This is what I use for the assignment. So we're going to go ahead and let's just choose this image and just click download for free. Now, just go ahead and drag this into your website folder that we made previously. I'm going to delete this image. This was for something else, or this one. This was for something else. Don't worry about that. So make sure that your image, when you download it, it's saved in the same exact folder as your HTML. Okay. And now you're going to want to put this image into your coding. To do that, go ahead and head back over to the tutorial and go over to images. And on here, you're just going to take this this coding right here and put it in wherever you want the image. I want my image to be under, we'll put it under my H1 heading, okay? Just for an example, you can put it wherever you want. So let's go ahead and open that up, and let's go ahead and put it under our H1 tag. Okay, and this is your alternative text right here. Alternative text is when a image doesn't appear on a website, or if a user chooses not to view that image, it'll provide alternative text, just kind of briefly explaining what the image was. So let's go ahead and take a look at our image, and let's see what this is. We'll just call this, we'll call it a village. I know it's not a village, but I mean, it has characteristics of one, so we're just going to go ahead and call it a village. And right here, you're going to make sure that this matches the name of the image that is in your folder. So I'm going to drag this over, drag this here. So this is Dorian Dorian.BAUMANN -4146110-unsplash.jpg. You can't forget to put the JPG in there, guys. That is how they know it's an image. Save that, and let's go ahead and refresh our website. And you're going to see under the H1 heading we have the image. Okay, it looks kind of blurry. That wasn't the correct sizing for the image. And you can adjust your sizing of your image using these right here. So you can adjust the height of your image and the width. So it looks like here that both of them actually need to be expanded. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll go ahead and change the height to 500. That's 5 times what it is right now. And we'll go ahead and put 800 for this one, and that's 4 times what it is right now for the width. Let's go ahead and save this and refresh our website. You can see we now have a humongo image. You can go ahead and adjust this based on what you want it to look like. So that's going to go ahead and do it for the images. Let's go ahead and head over to our listings. In the assignment, you're going to have 2 different lists. You're going to want the numbered lists, and you're going to want to do your bulleted lists. And I'm going to show you guys how to do both of those right now. So wherever you want the numbered list to appear is where you're going to want to put the coding. So for let's go ahead and first we'll make an ordered list, and an ordered list is a list that has numbers. So head back over to the tutorial, go over to your lists, and here you're going to see this, and just go ahead and copy and paste this. I mean, I've told you guys multiple times that it's just so much easier to copy and paste these things rather than typing it all out. Okay, so where do we want this to appear? Let's go ahead and take a look at our website. Okay, well this is our P1. Let's put this under our P1. So this is our first lovely paragraph. Let's go ahead and put it under there. Okay, and these LIs, this is your list. Okay, so this is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. So let's go ahead and name this. This is fun. Let's go ahead and name the second one C. It's easy. And let's go ahead and file save that. Remember, always have to do that if you want it to appear on your page. And you can see, this is fun. See, it's easy. So that's your ordered list. Let's go ahead and move on to the unordered list, the bulleted list. So for this, let's go ahead and put it. We'll put it under the level 2 heading. That's fine, under our H2. Go ahead and paste the same exact thing. Okay. But now replace your OL tags with UL. And UL actually stands for unordered list. So OL stands for ordered list. Ordered lists are numbers. Unordered lists are bulleted points. So UL, and this is going to give us our bulleted list. And you can type in anything here. I'm just going to type in, let's see. I know one of them has to do with movies. So let's just type in some movies I like. I mean, I like Inception. A really good movie. I like Interstellar is a good movie. Love Spider-Man. Spider-Man's good. And Black Panther. It's been a popular one out recently. Let's go ahead and click File and Save. And there's our bulleted list. As you can see, my capitalization was off there, but that's that. That's it. That is all. So, I wasn't actually instructed to do so, but I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and do a table for this. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and head back over to the same HTML link that was provided in the very beginning of the first video. And you're going to go over to tables and just go ahead and copy this coding right here, wherever you want the table to be. Taking a look at our website, let's go ahead and put the table under our third paragraph. So I'm going to look for my, this is my ending tag for my third one. So this is my first paragraph, my second paragraph, and my third paragraph. Let's go ahead and put this under here. Control V is a shortcut for paste. And let's go File, Save. And you can see that this is now our table. We just have a bunch of different random stuff on there, and you can adjust those to whatever you want them to be. Hi, blah 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 blah. Putting in random stuff here just for the video, but okay, go ahead and file save that, and let's go ahead and refresh our page. As you can see, the text changed. So it's as simple as that. You guys really shouldn't have any problems with that. And in this tutorial, we've now learned how to create web pages with images, links, lists, and tables. We've also learned how to FTP our pages to the server. In short, we made a website. So I hope you guys have fun building your website. I really do. I mean, it's a fun process. It's a fun assignment. Kind of difficult if you don't know what you're doing, but when you get the hang of it, it's all fun. But just make sure that before you submit it, that you validate it. And also, I'm going to show you guys again the My Drive. Go ahead and log into your account. Go to Public, and just go ahead and click Add File. And you just add the file you want added. Click Open, and then you just click Start Upload. And then that's it. That's literally all there is to it. And then you can go to My Web Root, and then you can now view that under your web root, and then you go ahead and provide that on Blackboard. So I hope you guys don't have too much problems with this, and I hope that this video helps. So this is what our end product kind of looks like. We have our linking here, our H1 heading. We have our image uploaded here. We have our unordered list, our numbered list, and and then we have our bulleted list here, and we have our table right here. So I mean, the styling, like I said, I was instructed not to worry so much on the styling, so I'm not going to bother showing you guys how to do that in this tutorial. But this is a pretty much from here. I feel like you guys can continue this by yourself. The part 2 is pretty much the same exact thing, and you're just going to make 2 websites and link them together, just like I showed you guys how to link this. So I hope this video was helpful to a certain degree, and I hope that you guys enjoy the assignment. Thanks for watching, guys. Later.